Hey guys, today I'm going to do a chicken tortilla bake. So let's get toasting. I think they also call this chicken enchilada casserole. I just kind of downsized it for my toaster oven. It's only 4 ingredients, so I'm using my 10-inch cast iron skillet here that I got from Walmart. And these are corn tortillas. So I'm just going to put 4 of them in the bottom of the pan, cover the bottom of the pan, spread them out like that. And then I've got some a chicken breast that I cooked in my air fryer and just shredded it up. So we'll add some of that chicken. You can also buy chicken that's already pre-shredded if you don't want to bother cooking it, or use a rotisserie chicken. You want to do it the easy way, but this works pretty good. I did this the other night and it was just about right for me, just like this. I thought it came out pretty good, so that looks pretty good, about like that. And then add some cheese to that. This is Mexican style cheese. Has 4 different cheeses in there, so we'll add a little of that as well. Okay, that looks good. You just kind of eyeball everything. You use as much as you want. And then this is a 10-ounce can of Green Chile Enchilada Sauce. So pour some of that inside here. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then just take 4 more of these corn tortillas, put them over the top here. This is how I did it the other night, and this was a perfect meal for just me. Okay, then we just pour the rest of the green chili sauce, Green Chile Enchilada Sauce, over the top. This is a 10-ounce can, works perfectly for this, just about the right amount. Alright, that looks good. And then just put some more of this cheese over the top, and we'll get it into the toaster oven. Alright, I moved the oven rack down to the bottom here so my cheese won't burn. I had it up higher the other night and it really didn't burn, but I moved it down this time just to try it that way. I'm going to use the air fry setting, which is 425 degrees Fahrenheit. That's what I used the other night. It seemed to work pretty good. And I'll just keep an eye on it. I think it took was in there about 20 minutes the other night. Everything is cooked, so it just has to heat up. So I'll just keep an eye on it. It's been about 8 minutes and it's still in the air fry setting. I think I'm going to turn it down to 350, and that's just on bake. So if your oven doesn't have air fry, just use the bake setting at about 350 or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I just don't want the cheese to start burning, so I'm going to turn it down a little bit. It's been about 17 minutes. I think this is probably done. It just has to be heated through. I think that looks good. Alright, let's see how this looks. I sprinkled a little cayenne pepper on top just for a little extra heat. So, cut into the center of it, I guess. We'll get right into the middle there. Oh yeah. Plenty of cheese. That looks good. Alright, let's try a bite. They came out real good. Tastes a lot like an enchilada, but you don't have to roll it up, so it's easier to make. I'll give you Annie a piece without the sauce. This is just chicken and tortilla. Here you go, Annie. I guess you like that. So if you like chicken enchiladas, that's good and it's real easy to make. I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.